Class 10. Today we are in exercise 3.4 and question number 1 we have seen already, that was elimination method, and I hope that you have understood it. And today I am going to do question number 2 onwards of exercise 3.4. So take your book, NCERT book, and look at question number 2.1. In question number 2.1, this is question number 2.1 of exercise 3.4. Here, form the pair of linear equation in the following problems and find their solutions if they exist by the elimination method. Means you have to read the statement, form the pair of linear equation, and if their solution exists, then you have to find. That means after forming the equation, you need to check that whether solution is available or not. So let us start question 1. If we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduced to 1, it becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. What is the fraction? So here there are two cases, and according to the given two cases we have to frame the equations. So here at first we need to write, let the fraction be, let the numerator be x and the denominator be y. So as we are having a fraction, so that in a fraction we know that there are numerator and denominator. So numerator be x and denominator be y. Therefore the fraction, the fraction is x upon y. This is the fraction. Now according to question, the first condition. What is the first condition? I have told to read the statement and to check that what is the first condition given. In the first condition, it is given that if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduced to 1. That means here x and plus 1. In numerator we need to add 1 and from denominator we need to subtract 1, then these fractions become 1 by 2. It is given in the question, no, the fraction becomes 1. The fraction becomes 1. So it was the statement, if we add 1 to the numerator, in numerator you are adding 1 and subtract 1 from denominator, a fraction reduced to 1. That means you are getting 1. Now we need to adjust it to form the linear equation in two variable. So let us adjust this. We may write x plus 1 equal to y minus 1. Then further it can be written as x minus y equal to minus 1 and minus 1. It becomes x minus y equal to minus 2. This is equation number first according to the first condition which is provided to us. So here x minus y equal to minus 2. And what is the second condition now? And second condition, in second condition what is given? Just you read the condition and frame the second equation. Second condition is it becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. That means if you are adding only 1 to the denominator, then it becomes, here numerator is x and you are adding 1 to the denominator, the fraction become 1 by 2. It is your second condition. So x upon y plus 1 equal to 1 by 2, this is the second condition. By taking this we again need to frame the equation. So, it will be after cross multiplication, it is 2x equal to y plus 1, and further it will be 2x minus y equal to 1. This is our equation number 2nd. So, equation first and second now we are having. Now we apply the elimination method to solve it. So, till here first you copy down, then I am showing the remaining part of the solution. Okay. So, here in first equation I can see here it is minus y, x minus y equal to minus 2, and here 2x minus y equal to 1. So, if I will subtract second from first, then ultimately y will be cancelled. No need to multiply because coefficient of y is same in both the equation. Now, adding, or I have told to subtract. Now, subtracting which one? Subtracting any equation we can subtract. We can subtract first from second also and second from first also, the same result we will get, because y will be our target is to eliminate y. Y can be eliminated by subtracting first from second also and second from first also. It is your choice. Any equation you can subtract. So, subtracting first from second. Subtracting first from second. So, now second equation I am going to write here 2x minus y equal to 1, and here first equation is x minus y equal to minus 2. Further I want to subtract, that means here minus sign, and here this sign will be positive, plus sign, and here this sign will be positive. So, further y and y can be cancelled here. So, 2x minus x becomes x, and that is 1 plus 2 becomes 3. That means x equal to 3. This is the value of x which I have got by subtracting first from second, x equal to 3. Again, substituting x equal to 3 in any of the equation, we can put in equation 1. In equation first, what is the first equation? That is x minus y equal to minus 2. Instead of x I want to write here 3. That means it will be 3 minus y equal to minus 2. Further it will be minus y equal to minus 2 minus 3, and further it will be minus y equal to minus 5. In this case minus sign is cancelled and y equal to 5. Hence the required fraction, we can write our answer like that. Hence the required fraction is equal to x upon y. We know that it is x upon y. So, we write the value of x is 3 and the value is of y is 5. So, it is 3 upon 5. So, like that we can solve the equation. And here one thing is very crucial. In the question it was given that if possible, if they exist, that means when I have framed the equation, then I have checked it that here a1 by a2, that is 2 by 1, and here 2 by 1, a1 by a2 is coming 2 by 1, and b1 by b2 is coming again minus 1 by minus 1, means it is 1. That means I have checked it first that a1 by a2 does not equal to b1 by b2. That means we are having an unique solution in this case. So, always you check it in the rough side whether the solution of the given equation is available or not available. If it is available, then only we need to solve, otherwise we need to write that no solution exists. Okay. that we have already discussed the condition of solutions, that you have to keep in your mind always, that when a1 by a2 does not equal to b1 by b2, then the pair of linear equation is having unique solution. And second condition, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 and it does not equal to c1 by c2. In this case there is no solution at all. And third condition was there, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. In this case infinitely many solution exists. So this, keeping these three things in your mind, always you have to work here. So you just copy down. This was the solution of question number 2.1. Now, so read the statement and accordingly you need to frame the equations and then you can solve it. Now, further after question 2.1, I am taking one more question, that is 2.2. Let us understand it also so that you can feel easy to frame the equation. The second equation, 5 years ago Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. How old as Nuri and Sonu? So here what to take? Present age of Nuri and present age of Sonu we have to let. So in second number, let present age, we can write the statement like that, present age of, at first I am taking Nuri, that is Nuri's present age I am taking as x years, and second is Sonu, and Sonu's present age is y years. So this I have taken, let the present age of Nuri, Nuri's present age is I have taken as x years and Sonu's present age I have taken as y years. Then according to question, the same statement I am going to write according to question. I am having two conditions. So first condition I am going to write here first. So first condition or first case, whatever you wish you can write. So first condition is there that 5 years ago Nuri's age was first condition is there that 5 years ago Nuri's age, so Nuri's age was x minus 5 years. It is Nuri's age 5 years back. Okay, it is the condition. First condition is given 5 years ago, you can write here, no problem. 5 years ago, 5 years ago, the condition which I am going to write, it is 5 years ago what happened, Nuri's age was x minus 5 years. Okay, and it is written that 5 years ago Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. So Sonu's age will be y minus 5 and it is multiplied by 3, because it is written in the statement that 5 years ago Sonu's Nuri's age was thrice as old as Sonu. So 5 years ago Sonu's age will be y minus 5 years and Nuri's age will be x minus 5 years, and if you will multiply 3 into y minus 5, it is equal to x minus 5. This is the first condition. Now you just solve it to get the linear equation 3y minus 15. Further it can be written as x minus 3y equal to minus 15 and plus 5. Further it can be written as x minus 3y equal to minus 10. So this is the equation number first which I have got from the first condition of the question. Now second condition we will discuss, and the second condition. What is the second condition? Let us discuss that. What is the second condition over here? So second condition is there that Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu 10 years later. So it is 10 years later. So we need to write here 10 years later. That means after 10 years. You can write after 10 years also, and after 10 years what happened? Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. So Nuri's age after 10 years will be x plus 10 years. Okay, this is Nuri's age, and Sonu's age will be y plus 10 years, and it should be multiplied by how much? 10 years later Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. That means we need to multiply it by 2. Further it becomes x plus 10 is equal to 2y plus 20, and further it becomes x minus 2y equal to 20 minus 10, and further it becomes x minus 2y is equal to 10. So this is our equation number 2nd. Now look at these equations and think that solution is available or not. So I can check here, the value of a1 is 1 and the value of a2 is also 1. 1 by 1 means 1. Now value of b1 is minus 3 and b2 is minus 2. So it b1 by b2 becomes minus 3 upon minus 2, that means 3 by 2. So a1 by a2 does not equal to b1 by b2. So there is the solution of this equation. We can solve it. Now how to solve? We can see that the coefficient of x is 1 and the coefficient of x is also 1. So just directly I can subtract equation number first from second or second from first. Now subtracting equation first from second. Subtracting equation first from second. That means second equation I am going to write first x minus 2y equal to 10 and down x minus 3y is equal to minus 10. Now subtracting, so here it will be minus sign, this sign will be plus, and here this sign will be plus. Further x and x is cancelled. Now minus 2 and plus 3 becomes only y, and here 10 plus 10 becomes 20. So value of y has come, that is y equal to 20. Till here you copy down first, then I am showing the remaining part of this solution. So y equal to 20 is coming. That means we have got the age of Sonu over here. Sonu's age is 20 years, that is coming. I hope that this side you have written. Now putting this value of y in equation number 1 or 2, in any equation I can put. So this time I am putting this value of y in equation 2. Again I can write putting y equal to 20 in equation second. In equation second. So second number equation is x minus 2y. I am writing x minus, I am not writing 2y, I am writing 2 into 20, and that is equal to 10. Further I will solve it. X minus 40 equal to 10, and further it will become x equal to 10 plus 40, therefore x equal to 50. That means we have got the age of the two persons, that was present age of Nuri is, this is Nuri's present age, and the Nuri's present age is 50 years and Sonu's present age is 20 years. So we can write there. Hence Nouri's percentage. They are asking Nouri's percentage. Hence, Nouri's present age that was taken as X and it is 50 years. X is 50 years and another age is whose Sonu's present age. That is Y, and Y is coming as 20 years, and this is your answer. So like that we can solve. This is the last part of this question, this solution. So I hope that this you have understood, and these are the word problems, and in this word problem first we need to frame the equation, that means linear equation in two variable, then we can solve by using any of the method. Till now you have understood the graphical method of solution and substitution method of solution, then we have also seen elimination method. So I am using here elimination method to solve these equations. Now one more questions I am taking. So this time I am taking question number 4, 2-4, so that your concept should be clear. Question number 2-4, Meena went to a bank to withdraw rupees 2000. She asked the cashier to give rupees 50 and rupees 100 notes only. Meena got 25 notes in all. Find how many notes of rupees 50 and rupees 100 she received. Here look at the question. Number of notes of rupees 50 I have to take, that I can take as X, and number of notes of rupees 100 that I can take as Y, and we can frame the equation. So let us see. Let number of rupees 50 notes, 50 notes equal to X, and number of rupees 100 notes, that is Y, that I can take at first, that rupees 50 note is X and rupees 100 note is Y. So according to question there are two conditions. According to question there are two conditions. What are the conditions? Total number of note it is given as 25. Okay, total number of note is given 25 and total amount what she is getting is rupees 2000. This is only the two cases. Once again I am repeating, total number of note is rupees 25, this is one condition, and the another condition is what? Total amount she is getting as rupees 2000. So here the first condition, what is the first condition? Here in this statement the first condition is 50 rupees X note you are having, that total amount it is 50X, and plus if 100 rupees Y note you are having, total amount becomes 100 into Y, and total amount it becomes rupees 2000. It becomes rupees 2000. This is the first condition, that when you are getting X note of 50 rupees, total amount becomes 50X as the denomination of 50 rupees note, and if you are getting Y note of rupees 100, that means total amount is 100Y for the 100 rupees denomination notes, and total amount become 2000. What I have told in the equation, if your number is smaller, then it is easy to calculate. So if you are having a big number, you can convert it into a smaller digits. How I can do here? Here 50 can divide this 50 also, 50 can divide 100 also, and 50 can divide 2000 also. So this time I am going to divide the equation by 50 so that we are having a smaller numbers. Dividing both side by 50, we can write here dividing both side by 50. What will happen? Here I will have only x, and here 2y. If you will divide 100 by 50, you will have 2y, and 50 if I will divide 50 by 2000, then how much I will have? 50 to the 100, 50 4 the 200. That means here this side it will become 40. So this is our equation number first, and now we are having smaller numbers, and by that we will feel easy when we will solve it. This is the first condition, and the second condition is here. What is the second condition? We can write here. The second condition is given in this way, that total number of nodes, that means x plus y is becomes 25. This is the second condition, as it is written in your question that total number of nodes are 25. So if I am adding x plus y, it becomes 25. Now equation 1 you are having, equation 2 you are having. Now just I can subtract equation second from first. Now subtracting equation second from first. Equation second from first. Second from first. So let us write first equation over here, that is x plus 2y. X plus 2y equal to 40, and second equation is x plus y equal to 25. We need to subtract this. So here it will be minus sign, here it will be minus sign, here it will be minus sign. X cancel, and 2y minus y means here y, and 40 minus 25 is giving you 15. So here the number what you are getting, y equal to 15 you are getting. So the number of 100 rupees note has come, that is 15, and putting this value of y in equation second, again put y equal to 15 in equation first. In equation first. So if in first equation I will put the value of y, that is 15. What is first equation? X plus 2y. So I can write here x plus 2 into y means 15, and that becomes 40. Here I am writing 40. Now solve it. X is equal to, x plus 30 is equal to 40, and here x is 40 minus 30, further it becomes x equal to 10. Hence it is clear that we can write our answer. Hence number of rupees 50 notes, hence number of rupees 50 notes is equal to x, that is 10, and number of rupees 100 notes, number of rupees 100 notes is equal to y, that we are having 15. So like that our answer has come, that is 10 and 15. So Meena has got 10 notes of rupees 50 denomination and 15 note of rupees 100 denomination. This is the answer of this question. So this was some application of linear equation in two variables, and this time we are using elimination method. So, I suggest you all that do all the questions of NCERT book including examples. Thank you for today.